Jeffrey.
Hi.
So honored to get the opportunity to ask you about your upcoming classes in October. The first class, Unbinding the Spirit of its Attachments, Ghost Points in Chinese Medicine. I'm wondering if you could give me one sentence that really sums up what that class is about.
Well, you could basically summarize all of Chinese medicine in terms of its illnesses to be rooted in the spirit. Mm-hmm. And because it's rooted in the spirit, the most common conceptual idea that challenges the spirit are things that are non-tangible. And that non-tangible aspect is often summarized as Gui, a ghost, which can include mental illness, it can include people that have delusions, it can include basically some of our emotional struggles that we have in our lives. So the Gui points, the ghost points, basically address these particular type of, you might say, distractions or disorientation to one's spirit.
Okay, thank you so much for elucidating that. Now the second class, which is going to be Points for the Spirit, From Trauma to Enlightened Realization. It's a big title. Can you tell me what a practitioner is going to take away from that class that's going to be meaningful?
So we were to follow up on the idea that all conditions are rooted in the spirit. A big part of what a clinician is trying to do is to cultivate the spirit in themselves, as well as the spirit that comes to their clinical practice, to the narratives that the patient presents to the clinician. So when we look at the word Shen, there's a number of points that's located in the repertoire of acupuncture that contains the word spirit and the attributes of the spirit, like the Hun and the Po and the Ling. So what we're looking at is how can we access these points as a way for ourselves as a clinician or a way for our patients by which these points helps to awaken their spirit on a very conscious level, because all of us are spiritual, just that we might not consciously be working on that level of the spirit. Mm-hmm. And by doing that, it can help ourselves as well as the patient come to realize certain aspects about their lives that if they commit to cultivation, they can change a big part of their lives as well as the conditions that they have, that they've been suffering and struggling with.
That's so powerful. Thank you so much for sharing about
Thank
these
you.
classes. Really looking forward to it.
Okay.
Thank you.